my social battery is very low right now. So what I did is I came out here to get some fresh air because it is so nice out today. It's 60. That's so nice right now for Michigan. And so I decided to have a picnic with my cat, Daisy. Daisy, come say hi. And say hi. So we're just hanging out here, doing some oracle reading, journaling, having Daisy's got her little food dish out here, and she's got a little water, and then I have my food dish, and then I also have some tea, and we're just connecting with Mother Earth and each other, Miss Daisy. And if you can hear behind me, all the Mother Earth's, nature's creatures are just so excited to be awake after the long winter. Daisy's over here just rolling around having a ball. Such a pretty girl. But we're just really enjoying this time together in the sunshine. So if you are peopled out, but you still want to have connection, I would suggest go outside. If it's nice out especially, go outside. Listen to the nature around you, the creatures around you. Maybe connect with a pet. And just enjoy your time.